How you doing today, YouTubers? My name is Patrick Shavik. I want to give you a review of Sedgehammer. I was looking on YouTube. I didn't really see a lot of reviews on it, and I just want to tell you my experience. I live in Phoenix, Arizona. My camera lady is Nora Shavik, and she is we're gonna help you figure out the best way to get rid of your crabgrass or your nutsedge, mind you. One thing I realized after doing some research, there's a difference. But here, come this way, camera lady. So this is my Bermuda. I put this in myself. I've grown it myself, and I've had frustration with weeds. I've figured out a way to get rid of the weeds, but the problem that I've had, come this way, is that this nutsedge that I have growing out here. If you look at all these yellow areas, I sprayed these a couple times a week. So it's been 2 weeks in a row that I have sprayed these, and if you can tell, these are all these yellow areas in the last couple of weeks. So you look down here.
Can I get really close to the grass?
Yes, go ahead.
So do you see this yellow grass right here?
So if you see this right here, all this right here has been sprayed. I've been applicating it a couple weeks. So they said at the store, here, lift it up. A neighbor of mine was telling me that you have to spray it 4 weeks in a row. It says to do it every 2 months, but I really want to kill this stuff, and I notice that's not affecting the Bermuda, which is great. If you notice all this stuff that's yellow around here, that's the nutsedge. Here, let me take that. Thank you. Come this way. If you look at all this, look at it. It's throughout my whole yard. It's frustrated me for the last 10 years that I've lived here, and finally figuring a way to get rid of it, which I'm very excited about. This is after 1 week of application. I sprayed another application a couple days ago. I'm going to do 2 more every Saturday. You want to do it when it's less than 85 degrees after looking at the directions. And you don't want to cut your yard for a couple days. The other thing that you want to think about, here you can get back there, is that you want to make sure that it's not raining, because you got, after you put application in 4 hours. Arizona, it's not a big deal, but in other places, they didn't. This is my son, Patrick. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay.
Yep.
Yep. Okay. Right. So, anyways, so now you have a good idea of how it's working after a week. So come this way, and I'll show you how I put it down. Now this is a pump. This'll. I actually borrow this from my neighbor. I have one too. It's about a gallon, but these will get you around $60 to $80 depending on what brand you get. This is the Sedgehammer that I used, and this is Dawn soap that I use as a substitute to superfactant. Now the superfactant that you have it runs you around $30 for a gallon. Well, I'm not really going to use it again, so why would I do that? So I was talking at the nursery, and they were telling me that, hey, you can use this as a substitute. So what you want to do is you put 2 scoops of this for this 2 gallon, 2 teaspoons of the Dawn soap, and the rest water, 2 gallons of water. Mix it together, shake it pretty well for about a minute, and then just pump and just start spraying. You don't have to put a lot. The whole point of superfactant or of the Dawn is that what it does is creates it where the base of the chemical it's actually thicker, so that way when you spray it, it holds on better to the crabgrass. I keep on saying crabgrass, but nutsedge. Yeah, so you spray it. Took about 2 gallons to spray this whole area. I did another gallon myself because I have a backyard as well that had some areas to spray. But just to give you an idea, this size yards, you're going to need 2 gallons. I know most people don't have yards as big as I do, so they probably only need a gallon, but I just want to tell you the measurements of all the chemicals we use. So far it's done pretty well. I will do it a couple weeks when after it's been on there for a month, and do another review so you see exactly how it is. But so far so good. I'm really excited about it. Thank you for watching my video.
Bye.